Yes, sir, baby. If y'all haven't seen Dillons exhaust, there it is. Ooh, boy. Out here on the Gixxer 600. The M4, hell yeah. That thing sounds mean now with that exhaust. Thing's loud, boy. Dude, that thing's loud, ain't it? That thing's so loud now. Sounds great. Let's get it, baby. Got my boy Crawfish Rubin over here. Y'all will see soon that he is fire with the wheelies too. Out there playing around, jumping that. Whew! It's like my eyes are real dry today with the Stoppie. But I wanna pull the ABS fuse on this or the R6 and do some Stoppies, man. Stoppies are fun. Yeah, buddy. I guess we're gonna lane split. Let's get it, boys. Where my boy Dillon at? Did he get caught up back there? Oh, he's all the way up front. Well. There's some spill on the road. It's probably coolant. Oh, it was on fire. Alright. That'll do that. Yes, sir. I got like a little wedgie going on, but I gotta get some new underwear. These is not it for riding, man. I got like 10 pair of these. And my boy Dustin, y'all seen him in the last video. Out there going ham with the stand-ups. Look at that, look at the Ultima trying to get it. Trying to show us what's up. He don't want none of this smoke, bro. He ain't got nothing for nobody here. Bring it up. There he is. Chilling with it. He'll be out here chilling with it. Wait till y'all see him out whenever we're actually on a road. Hell yeah. Solid, baby. Sadly, man, he just got a ticket the other day for riding side saddle. I believe he said it was a careless driving, so at least it wasn't a reckless. But, and I remember him saying that he hit like a patch of oil the other day too, or like a couple weeks ago, and dropped it on the side, and that's actually why it's a little bit scratched up right now. Where are we riding to, baby? Yes, sir. Chilling, baby. Chilling. Chilling. Out here chilling with it. Hell yeah. Killer, boys. Killer. Killer. Hell yeah. Hey!
You weren't doing that last time we were riding.
Oh, I think I had a girl with me the last time we was riding.
Okay.
Yeah. Hell yeah. I've been working on foot brake too. We're getting there. It's a slow process. He knows. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. He knows what's up with it. We're getting there, baby. I've still yet to clutch it up on this. I've not clutched it up at all on it yet. Yeah, I don't have to. Good little wheelie pulling out back there, boys. How about it? Little scatty action. Scatty with the fatty. Hey, that sounded good. I think we both have the exact same smoke on our windscreen. I didn't buy this one, he bought that one. So, I mean, I don't know for sure, but I believe so. On the R6, I don't know if y'all know this, because I haven't talked about it at all, I don't believe. But my windscreen on it is completely black, and I'll never do that again. Like, I bought it like that. It's not see-through at all. And it is awful at night. Like, it just is not it. Appreciate it. I mean, you can't see through it at all at night, man. It's just completely awful. Trying to see and just, I mean, if you're trying to race, and I wear a tinted visor most of the time anyway, so it's like, one man here leaving a stoplight, just chilling with it. Chilling with it, baby. I don't care, as long as we all have fun and make it home, man. That's what our riding's all about. I'm sure you all agree. These Bridgestone Battle X's, me and Dillon were talking about them earlier, and they're kind of slick and take a while to warm up. I don't know. I want to go to either Diablo 3s by Pirelli, like I have on the R6, or potentially super courses. I might go super courses on here. I don't know yet. Comment down below if you all have any other good tire suggestions. I ride in the rain too sometimes, like I said earlier, so I mean, just keep that in mind. And I know super courses are not the best for in the rain, but I figure maybe I can ride the R6 if I know it's gonna rain or feel like it might that day, you know. And I'm guaranteed to get caught out on this eventually in the rain. Like, it's just gonna happen. But I mean, what can you do? I want some good tires that are some, you know, they got a decently grip in the rain, but be real grippy in the turns. And I ride quite a bit of highway too, from where I live to Lexington, which isn't but 20-30 minutes, but I mean, you're doing that all the time, it'll wear down the center of your tires, so I don't want something huge. This man just got a ticket for this the other day, and there he is riding side saddle again. I'm dead. I'm dead with it. Look at them both go, boys. Oh, that's a thumbnail right there. That's a thumbnail right. Oh, why the red light, bro? Why the red light? Why the red light? Light. The light. Oh, with the stoppie. Damn red light. That's a thumbnail, boy. Yeah, boy. They're chilling. See, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of us. 7 of us out here living the dream. In between the cars? In between the cars? My man Rubins is wild. My man Rubin is wildin'. Skunk. Got my boy out here going ham with it. You know how he does? Oh! 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 Oh, something's on fire! Pat got him! Back to the wheelies! Oh! Oh, straight killers! He had to put it down because he's getting lower. He's speeding up. Working on. Working on, boys. Readjust again. Like the 30th time. Through the turn. Through the turn. Smoke. With that fire. Uh-oh, we got a second one getting up in the shot. And my boy Dillon take over. He done got the bigger channel, you feel me? Killing it, man. Through the turn too. Chilling, baby. Chilling with it. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! All the way through the turn. This man. He needs to get a titanium plate so he can scrape that hoe. Blowing smoke. I know this man be getting worn out up on one wheel all that time. I know he does. It's a workout, man. Oh, let's go. Give my man a round of applause. Look at my man up here. I ain't done that yet. I ain't done nothing like that.